Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, coming to you live from beautiful Kenmore, Washington State. This is Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, we've got something from Zen Pop. If you go to Zen Pop, that's zenpop.jp, enter the coupon code Ramen Raider, you'll get a discount. Alright, so let's see what we brought today. We have Myojo with their Shio Wantan Men. Wantan Tanmen. Four minutes, 360 milliliters of water. And we have Miles. How you doing, Miles? Oh, we had Miles, ladies and gentlemen. He's a little flighty. So, let's make this happen. There he is. So, it's got wonton. I put them on top in the water. And then we take a single sachet of seasoning, soup base, and drop it on in. All right. You know, I liked this track at the beginning, but I don't know how much I like it now. It's almost like it entices a continuation of some kind of groove, but it really just kind of leaves you high and dry. Four minutes. Alright, so right now I have for you more Monopoly tickets. I know you might be getting sick of it by now, but sometimes there's something neat, and I mean, I gotta do these at some point, right? So I'm gonna do them and drive you crazy. I could be talking about the coronavirus and politics the whole time, and that shuts you up, didn't it? Yeah, I went out walking today. That was good. Instant winner of pasta. We want some pasta. If they they might be on the shelves. That was one of the things I've noticed. It's like Formula 409, pasta, S-Rip, those kind of things. People are like holding their cards close and their TP even closer. I don't know. What do you think about the whole thing? I've seen a lot of stuff saying that it's all the big hoax. But the people that seem to be saying that and talking about that seem to be kind of, I don't know, weird. Like we're gonna destroy everything, make it so everything's a pain in the ass, and make everything just suck. Okay, cool. Now what? I don't think there's anybody just sitting there going, yeah, and that's what we do. That's we win. I don't think so. People want to get something out of it. Maybe somebody's like got all the 409 and toilet paper. Instant win Monopoly game tickets. I go there and I sneeze and they give me 50 tickets to leave. 50 cents off gummy bears. Don't eat gummy bears. I eat other things. Charcoal briquettes. It seems like I went through like this set. What's gonna be next? A refresh water? No. But I remember I got like gummy bears and charcoal briquettes, one right after the other before. Maybe not, but maybe their shuffling machine was off. Red box rental. I'm gonna be out of these pretty soon. V8 Energy. Yuck. Here's some mango juice that if you like sit and you don't gulp it down like you're freaking losing your mind. If you sit there and you kind of taste it, you're like, wait a second, this tastes like tomato juice with mango juice in it, and then you're like, oh. $0.50 off Kashi Goleen cereal. Nothing. How much time we got? Oh, we're almost there. This is gonna be a cool bowl, folks. I think. I'm hoping. I'm really hoping. Yeah. Oh, I got 2 left. I'm gonna do these last 2. Man, just nothing. It sucks because there's all these Shutterfly deals, and it's like you go and you do all this stuff and you try to enter it and it just doesn't work. Okay. My wife is out there reading stories to the children. That's nice. If you're a parent, I think watching and listening to your significant other interact with your children, as long as they're not like bad people. I'm sure there's some people in that situation, but I'm lucky. I really like my wife, but good chewy. So you Wantan. Good. Broth. That's good. That's a good one. Yeah, that was out of a Zen Pop box. But yeah, these companies are... Oh, I mean, I don't know how much other countries buy stuff. I'm sure there's quite a few. A lot of people like Japanese stuff around the world. So, it's Shio Wantan. I made something. I made some chicken. That's just chicken. I put some panko on it and baked it in the oven. And I used a little bit of this. I sprinkled it in the panko. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. Maybe I'll put it right there. But I got an egg. I just really hope it behaves. You gonna behave? You gonna be a good little egg? Talking to the egg. That's what you demand is an egg. Okay, now let's see if we can pull this off. Let's get it really nice. Yeah. And making this one basically for my lady. Although she already had lunch, so. But maybe should have nibbled on it a little. Alright, and since it's for her, normally I'd put a little bit of shichimi on it, but I'm gonna hold off on the spicy. She's not a fan. Let's make sure the noodles are showing. I'll have to tell you guys all about Kyari Pamya Pamya next episode. If you don't know who Kyari Pamya Pamya is, boy, I've created a monster. The famous Japanese J-pop star, and I told my little daughter Mimi that she's Hello Kitty, like the human version of Hello Kitty, and she'll get downright ornery unless she can hear some of the music. Alrighty, I think that's where we're gonna leave it. There you go. That's something funky for your rotation on a Tuesday. Here we go, Rotato, hit it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me this afternoon, evening, morning, brunch time, or at the stroke of midnight, if that is the way you like it. All right, make up some noodles. dig it. Enjoy your pancreas, your spleen, everything in between. And Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you a little bit of enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Goodbye.